Understanding Unbearable Loudness, a guide to expressive English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, unbearable loudness. This expression paints a vivid picture using just 2 words, and understanding it can greatly enrich your English communication skills. Let's explore what makes this phrase so powerful and how you can use it in your own conversations. Unbearable loudness combines 2 key words, unbearable and loudness. To fully grasp the meaning, we need to look at each part separately and then see how they work together. Unbearable means something so difficult or unpleasant that you cannot tolerate it. It's used to describe situations or feelings that are too much to handle. Loudness refers to the high volume or intensity of a sound. It's not just about being loud. It's about the level of sound that can be clearly heard, often to the point of being overwhelming. When we combine these words into unbearable loudness, we're talking about a sound so loud that it's difficult or impossible to tolerate. It's a powerful way to express that the volume of something is not just annoying, but has reached a level that is profoundly uncomfortable or distressing. Understanding how to use unbearable loudness in context can help you communicate more effectively. Here are a few examples. Describing environments. The unbearable loudness of the construction site made it impossible to concentrate. Expressing feelings. I had to leave the concert early because of the unbearable loudness. Creating imagery. In literature or creative writing, unbearable loudness might be used to describe a storm, a crowd, or any scene where the sound plays a key role in the experience. To incorporate unbearable loudness into your English, remember a few tips. Use it for impact. This phrase is very expressive, so it's best used in situations where you want to make a strong impression. Be mindful of context. While unbearable loudness is great for descriptive language, it might be too intense for casual conversations about everyday annoyances. Combine with sensory details. Enhance your storytelling by pairing this phrase with descriptions of how the loudness affects you or the environment. For example, the unbearable loudness of the fireworks scared the pets and lit up the night sky. We hope this exploration of unbearable loudness has not only expanded your vocabulary but also inspired you to experiment with more expressive language in your English communication. Remember, English is a rich and vibrant language full of phrases that can capture the depth of our experiences. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.